Yeah.
They're taking advantage. They devour their houses. Meaning that they're exploiting them financially.
Ye devour widows' houses.
They're exploiting them financially. That's what it's actually saying. Then under pretense as if I'm good prayers, I'm pious people, abantu abarighteous, advantage. Phela manje isonto is business. And you must keep more customers coming. I'm a customer still, I'm a congregate.
Theology school.
So even nalapho school of theology, they must have questions. They mustn't be stereotyped. Let the God that is inside of them, whatever the question that the Spirit raises, question it so as we can try to overhaul the whole system.
It's not wrong to question scriptures.
It's right. Satan akamfuna umuntu questioner. Satan
But
does not
kunalento
ukuthi lento ithini.
Asesekhona amasonto kanjalo.
Uzwa ngayo ukuthi ithini. Wena umuntu akufanelanga wazi. And uNkulunkulu makayenza umuntu azange ayenza umuntu athi mina ngizawukhuluma through Pope. Wayenza umuntu wonke umuntu ngeimage yakhe nelikeness yakhe. So meaning that everyone carries his power. Everyone carries his authority. Umuntu omunye nomunye, he came to be an ambassador of the heaven la emhlabeni ukuze aphakamise izulu la emhlabeni.
Umuntu nomunye hayi ukuthi omunye ubizela ukwenza abanye bakhe. Umuntu nomunye une ability yokuba Christ himself or herself.
Uvusa uChrist ngaphakathi straight. Awudingi yonke lento leyo ayikhulumayo.
Bapanda njani? Siyaphila. I know it's been a while. It's been a while and it's such a nice thing when a lot of people but yes, I've been wanting to say this, at least it is someone yazoyikhulumayo lento abantu bebathi ngiyahlanya. So on behalf of them ngiyababongela nje. Exactly, it's a form of and a big one at that. Yeah. Otherwise ninjani?
It's right baba, it's right siloko siyagijima.
Yeah.
But in him we can't say about his true connection is naye.
Ne?
Yes. Because of once you enter that stage, experiment. So it only applies kula khona singabi awakened khona. So I just another thing before maybe we can get into any topic. Let's clarify into your church.
Okay.
Let's clarify it, then we can move on.
Yeah.
Because I think this will be Saivala.
Yeah. And I posted. There's a clip about the church I posted last week. Yay! In my WhatsApp, yay! I think I have pastors there. They're like, uthini why yini waxoshwe esontweni umfundisi. So what is uthini makathi church is you, not because you even quoted the verse your faith healed you. So everything is inward. Yes. So there was that confusion. I'm happy. No, more seventh.
Yes. The thing is, church it wasn't actually creation kaNkulunkulu to start with. Let's start there.
Okay.
It's a creation yomuntu. Owayenza ichurch wayicreator because of abona ukuthi uzoluza a political power, the Roman Catholic, the Constantine of this world. But I feel ukuthi because of the religion, the way the Christianity, the way they spread they spread because of they were working from within. They had gatherings and all those things whereby they meet and spread this message.
Okay.
So now that became if gubo yahlala kabi but no. Let us call a council whereby will form into ezohlala iloku iphakamisa this hierarchy yethu. So as we can gain control of these people, because of the more they realize who they really are, is the more this political powers will lose. So now let us bring it here. Let us take it into our control. Then let us start the church. Then says Guti, there are books futhi ekungafanelanga sizifake kule Bible because of sasifaka lezi zinto lezi izobajumpisela izobabonisa labantu ukuthi banamandla kangakanani.
So contesting la.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, the Council of Nicaea.
Yeah.
So in 325 AD. So when they were doing that, they knew ukuthi la ngaphakathi if isingasusi le ncwadi lezi, the people will discover who they really are. They will discover the truth. But let me tell you, the people that has formed the church, they know the truth. They know iqiniso ngomuntu, they know iqiniso ngespirituality. They just blocked it because of they wanted to gain control and by instill a fear upon mankind. That's the only way. That's the only thing about abafuna ukuyenza.
Manje this part ethi, I think it's Proverbs or ukuyale, I'm not sure, ethi every scripture esise eBhayibhelini God has breathed.
First Timothy 3:16.
Yeah. I think that one.
Yeah.
Yes.
No. Baba. Into zabo Paul lezo. The Bible is not written by God. It's written by men. You were inspired by the Spirit. When, like manje, getting inspired by the Spirit to say, let me write this. At the end of the day, I'm the man who's going to write this, inspired, driven by the Spirit within to write that. It does not mean it's God who wrote it. He cannot write the Bible.
Okay. That passage, it's Paul.
Yeah.
And in whatever state akuso Paul.
Yes.
Yeah, we're not sure ukuthi ubhala umoya oyingcwele kuye or what.
Yes.
That okay,
yes.
all right.
Because of Paul naye at some stage bekaba conflicted because of he even said in the Bible, most of the things that I want to do I do not do, but I do the things that I do not want to do. Because of he was showing the conflicted person at some stage. So you cannot say
prison.
Yes, you understand. You cannot say everything that he wrote. It's 100% right because of ezinye izazo zingeke zihambisane ne teachings of Christ because of the teachings of Christ are there. And the question maybe I was expecting that you could say is Matthew 16:18, whereby you'll say but Jesus said to Peter, Peter makambuzo ukuthi who do you say I am? Matthew 16:16. Matthew 16:16.
Yes.
Then who do you say I am? Then he said, God, I am. You are the Christ, the Son of the living Father. You understand? So then. So when Jesus said, Matthew 16:18, when he said, upon this rock, I will build my church.
Yes.
Do you understand? Upon this rock, I will build my church. Which rock? The rock, it works from inward. The rock that has got revelation from inward. Because of, he said, it is not man, it is not flesh and blood that has revealed this unto you, but my Father in heaven. Where is heaven? The heaven is within you. The heaven is within you. So that answer came from within. And he said, upon this kind of rock, this kind of spiritual rock, as for 1 Corinthians 4:10. He's talking about spiritual rock there. He's talking about Christ, the indwelling divinity ehleli ngaphakathi kwakho. Ukhuluma ngaleyo nto. Akakhulumi ukuthi sekanikeza uPeter whereby there will be hierarchies. uPeter uzo appoint abani nobani apho. No, it's not like that.
4:10 ne?
Yeah,
1 Corinthians 4:10.
Yeah, did I say that?
Yes. 1 Corinthians 4:10.
No, it's 1 Corinthians 10:4, sorry.
10:4. Okay, no problem. 10:4. And drank the same spiritual drink, for they drank from the spiritual rock that accompanied them, and that rock was Christ.
Yes. That's the rock he's going to build from. Christ is the foundation.
Yeah.
Christ is the foundation of all.
Yeah.
He says from this foundation,
Yeah.
meaning that rock, from this foundation, from the revelation, from getting an indwelling divinity, from
Yeah.
operating from an indwelling divinity,
Yeah.
then it is through that I will build my church. And when we come to church, akakhulumi nge-church where there's institution or an organized religion. He's not talking about that.
Okay.
Because of the original text that says church there, it was translated from Greek to Latin. So in Latin, which was the original, in Greek, which was the original text, it says ecclesia, meaning that E-K-K-L-E-S-I-A. E-K-K.
Not CC.
Not C.
Okay.
The CC is the Latin when they translated from the original text to the Latin. Then it became ecclesia, which is church. But ecclesia on its own is not church. It's the gathering of the citizens, where it's a call out to the citizens to care. Asameni sohlangana egroundini, asameni sohlangana emahholweni. Sikhulume about a particular thing, whether it's political, whether it's guess, whether it's God, the minute you start speaking of God, then He's there. Do you understand? So then it does not confine people into a systematic thing. No, it does not confine them there. It actually says izane sehlanganeni nina citizens. And the ecclesia in the original text does not have anything to do with religion. Nothing. Nothing to do with religion.
Not bishops.
No, it's got nothing to do with religion.
This hierarchy.
So Moshega Mabai translator into Latin. Then in Latin it's ecclesia, which is the church. So that's got nothing to do
So okay. How was then the gospel supposed to spread?
Yes.
Because I think someone is saying esontweni we were just spreading the gospel.
They are not spreading the gospel.
It's not entirely about monetization.
Esontweni got a motivational speaker. They are not spreading the gospel. They're not igniting the person inside. They are just motivating you into the things of the world.
Yeah.
You shall be prosperous. You shall be that. You shall be that. So, if they spread that prosperity thing, how about umuntu ose prosperous already? Man, so he's shut out of that thing. Uphumile yena uzampreacher that. Uzompreacher because of naye say slave. Say slave naye usagijima ngokwenyama. Akakavuki naye somvalele ngoba unamamiliyoni wakhe
unamamiliyoni
so yena kusukuthi yena upreachela laba basokolayo then yakhetha leyo gospel. So it does not work. But the only way for the true gospel to spread is not to confine it. You don't confine it systematically. You don't. You let it move. Like now, Tina Besete Suzoyanza Ama seminars. Once we do a seminar, a 3-day seminar in that particular province, Labo band back leo particular province, Mabasuka kuleyo 3 days. Lo muntu zobavukile phakathi kwabo. The Spirit itself shall teach them the things that are to come. Period. The Spirit itself.
Period.
Abati the Spirit through Pastor Banbani or through Mahomet Banbani will teach you. Izinto zomoya. No, they said the Spirit itself will teach you the things that are to come. Meaning that the things that engeke uzithole nako
nasebhayibhelini.
Yes. Because they are being
there are scriptures futhi ezisho kanjalo in the Bible.
Because of they are being revealed unto you.
Akapheleli la.
No, akapheleli la.
Kuze kube ne scripture moslaba bhande zithi don't add or subtract.
No. Into yabo because of they wanted to control you ukuthi ugcina ngalo uNkulunkulu wabo ukuthi uAlpha and Omega, the beginning and the end. God is not that. He's not that. He's not the beginning and the end. How do you say something operator beyond limitation? Why niki beginning and end? He operates beyond limitations. But now we kanjani leyo title. Uyipha kanjani that title?
Omunye uNkulunkulu.
Omunye uNkulunkulu ne beginning lo. That is why nengoma nama gospel they must change these gospel singers. They must change all these things. You are Alpha and Omega. That's not God. They are worshiping their own God. They are not worshiping the true God, the true pure consciousness. Abayi preach. Abantu ichurch ifundise abantu ukuthi you must come to church ukuthi uzokhona ukuthi ufinyelele ezulwini. Bangasho ukuthi izulu lingaphakathi kulo. Bangasho ukuthi lingaphakathi kulo bafuna balikhomba le emafeni.
Their point.
You understand? But you know you must come ube born again so as uJesu azokusave. uJesu yena akathi to be born again okuyileyo nto leyo ukuthi ubelievele kuyo. Uthi to be born again. Baba angithi born again. Okay, I understand. So you were born first, meaning that before you were the Spirit. Angithi wafa mawukusala lo mntwana. makusala lo mntwana aphuma kumama wafa then fanele uvuke futhi kuvuka into engazange yafa kuvuswa lento engazange yafa indaba yasuppresswa inyama
Okay. Yes.
kuvuswa yona
Yes.
lento engazange yafa kodwa uyanganesela kuvuswa wena the true self your actual you
Yeah.
kahle that statement
Akuvuswa into efile. Kuvuswa into yeah.
kuvuswa lento eyathi yakunyathelelwa yile nyama
Yeah.
yaba in a dormant state
Yeah.
kuvuswa yona lento futhi again so meaning that he was saying become your actual self again
Born again.
become your actual self
Into yadida.
become your true self
Nicodemus.
he says become your true self again because of manje mawuhamba ngokungazazi ngaphakathi uhamba usesengamanga usahamba ngeillusion awuhambi ngobuwena bakho ukuthi uwe impela uhamba ngeillusion so he says no come back to the line redirect there that is why Romans 12:2 ithi transform ifunde siye ku siqala ku 1 say
Romans 2.
Romans 12
Verse
asiqala ku 1 say 2
1. Therefore, I urge you, brothers and sisters, in view of God's mercy, to offer your bodies as a living sacrifice, holy and pleasing to God. This is your true and proper worship. Do not conform to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind.
Yes.
Then you will be able to test and approve what God's will is, this good,
Yes.
pleasing and perfect will.
thank you yes
Hayi ngizwa kahle.
it's renew
Yeah.
by transforming
Yes.
your minds so the transformation takes place from
Within.
the transformation does not take place where in church when he says renew there uPaul ayibeka in Greek uyibeka athi metamorphosis uyayazi ngithi biological
Yes.
it's when the butterfly change ama structures within the cocoon
Yes, metamorphosization.
that's what you do when that's what you do when you are getting transformed you change yourself you change your body the way it works in this world the way it represents itself in this world it changes even the character yakho in this world and then it stays away from ama systems abawabekele ama systems omhlaba wama institutions one ikususa kulawo ma institutions then it empowers you as you get transformed it empowers you then the Christ in you aqale ke kubonekela iglory yakhe into the natural then you become the Jesus of this world
A manifestation.
that is the Jesus of this world so le yasemasontweni bayenze a wall bakhe a wall for you to access that power because of they couldn't access that power upon themselves.
Okay, and they know but they couldn't.
Yes, no, they've sold their soul for the cash, for control and power, for power and money. They've sold their soul for that. So when angeke baze bakutshele ukuthi they've sold their soul because of this money is their God.
So mina ke by all of by conforming to the church structure, am I not selling my soul
You
to
are. No, when you are puppet to the devil and to worshippers.
I still have a chance.
Yeah, you still have a chance, a lot of chance.
Oh, but devil worshippers.
You still have a chance. Babahleka nje bathi abantu bama devil worshippers. Babahleka nje but bona they are just worshiping the wrong God. They are not worshiping the right God. All the religions that are worshiping umuntu bathi umdali womhlaba namazulu. Worship uNkulunkulu ongekho. Worship uNkulunkulu ongaphili. Wonke ama religion awoshipa wonke
ama religion asho kanjalo phela.
We start from religion, we go to tradition,
Yeah.
they will say gucela umdali wamazulu nomhlaba.
Umvelinqa.
Yes, all those they are not worshiping the right God. Because of the right God does not have his system to worship him. You only connect with him. You have a direct experiment naye. I say you walk with him. You understand? We've read scriptures where we say, "You know me, I know you," which is the direct experiment. So now, anyone who then prescribed unto that, ilo uNkulunkulu ababaphena systematically so, ukuthi bamuship and neglecting the very one ohleli oseduze kwakho okumele njenge-prodigal son beyimele ubaba wayo ukuthi ibuye ekhaya uso uloku uyafathuza uqala igama wenza yonke le uqala igama
ugcwala iganga
but nangu la uyamshiya umshiya la
inkinga usukungaza ngithi kulokuthiwa nje awudli mawungayanga esontweni cala lapho babhanda yabona la ungayi esontweni awudli yambona uSibusisi uyidli 91 rand
iqala lapha iqale ngabo khokho bethu nabo yensi ngilongo ngisho ngabo khokho bethu nabo mkhulu bethu ukuthi baye baqala ngabo baba condemn le ingqondo lezi so manje uyabona umzali wakho nanoma ngaba ubaba oriyini whatever ozoyicreator uNkulunkulu lo abazokupha yena uzoyicreate ubhekisa nakubaba ukuthi ubaba wami unomusa hakusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu nje ubaba wami nje uNkulunkulu nje uNkulunkulu baba wami maro ma ungayenzanga kanje uzokushaya kusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu mangayenzanga so uzokushaya that's the projection yomuntu ayicreateayo ukuthi azakhele wakhe uNkulunkulu. You understand? So now, which is a wrong projection because of the one who is in stillness, Baba. You cannot. Lawyer, in stillness. You just connect with him. You just cut everything a corner, disturb by him. We are Jesus. Then you focus in him. I see you go 1 Corinthians. Go 1 Corinthians.
Chapter
3:7.
3:7.
We said the foundation is Christ, eh?
Yeah. So either the one who plants nor the one who waters is anything, but only God who makes things grow. And then 8,
only the Spirit makes things grow. Angithi masithi
yeah. Ngenye translation here, it only the Spirit makes things grow. And then 8, the one who plants and the one who waters have one purpose, and they will each be rewarded according to their own labor.
See, to their
own labor. And then, for we are co-workers in God's service. You are God's field, God's building. By the grace God has given me, I laid a foundation as a wise builder, and someone else is building on it. But each one should build with care.
That's the building.
Yeah.
And he is the foundation.
And he is
the very rock.
Yeah. For no one can lay any foundation other than the one already laid, which is Jesus Christ. If anyone builds on this foundation using gold, silver, costly stones, wood, hay, or straw, their work will be shown for what it is, because the day will bring it to light. It will be revealed with fire, and the fire will test the quality of each person's work. If what has been built survives, the builder will receive a reward. If it is burned up, the builder will suffer loss, but yet will be saved, even though only as one escaping through the flames. Don't you know that you yourselves are God's temple, and that God's Spirit dwells in your mind, in your midst? Yeah. And then if anyone destroys God's temple, God will destroy that person. For God's temple is sacred, and you together are that temple. You together are that temple. Do not deceive yourselves. This last one. Do not deceive yourselves. If any of you think you are wise by the standards of this age, then you should become fools, so that you may become wise.
Yes,
the
foundation is him. The rock is him. Yeah. Who is the Christ? Not no Peter. Nah, he subscribed. Uno Christ ngaphakathi kuye. Lokhu Jesu bekakhuluma no Peter. Uno Christ njengam nawe sino Christ ngaphakathi. Colossians 1:27. So then the rock akhuluma ngayo njengoba sivelise ukuthi it's the spiritual rock. Is the foundation ukuthi masecala the gathering, whatever the gathering esizoyibiza. Makube igathering ukuthi ithola ama revelation from who? From the Father in heaven, who is in you, the Father in heaven. So you tell my revelations from Goye. That's the confidence I pay on. What kungaloku kuphela la khona ngizowakha or ngizobiza igathering yabantu kungaloku kuphela through i-revelation through umuntu orelaye from the Father ukuthi akwazi ukureveala izinto. So now if wena ungarelayanga from the Father to reveal things warelaya ku pastor uzakha naku angeke akhe kuwe. You'll never see his glory. You'll never experiment his glory. You shall experiment
of someone.
You shall experiment robbery kuphela. Daylight robbery. That's what you shall experiment. You shall experiment exploitation. That's what you shall experiment. And angazi ukuthi ngicela ngivulela ku Matthew 23:14 angazi ukuthi bayayisho lapho khona exploitation into siyazi ukuthi kuBhayibheli bayifihla bayiveza uyicala ku 23:13
Matthew Matthew chapter
23:13
ngicala ku 13
yeah
okay woe to you teachers of the law and Pharisees, you hypocrites! You shut the door of the kingdom of heaven in people's faces. You yourselves do not enter, nor will you let those enter who are trying to. Who to you, teachers of the law?
So 14 lay.
Yes.
No. Yeah, come on.
Teachers of the law and Pharisees, you hypocrites, you travel all over the land and sea to win a single convert. And when you have succeeded, you make them twice as much a child of hell as you are.
Yeah, it's a good bonus. Uyayibona ku 14 bayibeka idot ababekanga idot lapho.
Bayibekile.
Kukhona idot ku 14.
Yeah.
Abafuni kuyiveza.
Yeah.
Yaselande thina ke ngithi thina siyahola. Ya ku Google uthi 23:14.
Matthew 23:14.
Yeah. Sayilanda thina ke manje. Siletha la abayifuna kuyivela ukuthi they are exploiting abantu benkosi in pretense as if they are the righteous ones, in pretense as if they are the pious ones abaphathe izwi lenkosi.
Ingayiphi translation or straight?
Yeah, straight nje.
Matthew 23.
Labo ofaniswa newidow abathatha advantage ngokuyi-exploiter.
Yenzani Wi-Fi yena? Lengizoyithola.
Ivulile. I-Wi-Fi.
Izovula manje. Hayi right i-Wi-Fi 23:14. Okay, woe unto you, subscribes and Pharisees, hypocrites, for ye devour widows' houses, and for a pretense make long prayer. Therefore ye shall receive the greater damnation.
Yes.
Okay, lephelela la.
Yes,
yeah.
They taking advantage. They devour their houses. Meaning that they're exploiting them financially.
Ye devour widows' houses.
They're exploiting them financially. That's what it's actually saying. Then under pretense as if I'm good prayers, I'm pious people. Abantu aba righteous. Abangathatha advantage abantu.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
So akukho lokho konke lento abayenzayo.
But I think maybe maybe there's a generation yabafundisi abayaziyo lento leyo. I don't think all of them laba abamanje abaphethe amasonto bayazi ukuthi they are actually falling into the trap of these formalized institutions lezi kukhulunywa ngazo la. Ucabanga ukuthi labafundisi bayazi nabo. Nje uthi umfundisi nje spread nje lapha ekhoneni nje uyazi ukuthi
as long as you've created your own Holy Spirit why projected away funa ngakhona then why wacabanga ukuthi uNkulunkulu operate ngalendlela wa create image yakho kaNkulunkulu then when yourself you are liable for that. You'll take fall for that because of Hosea 4:6 it says they are perishing through the lack of knowledge. Do you understand?
Yeah.
And uNkulunkulu magathi the kingdom uJesu magathi the kingdom is within us. He's saying all the knowledge we are carrying is only that thina sifuna ukuyazi because of some material gain or because of some power gain. That is why thina singafuni si neglect. So others nalapho namanje baba ngithi kuma seminars and everything. Makeze umfundisi nanoma ngaba umuphi. Sizokhulisana.
Bakhona.
Mabeze.
Ama-paragraph engiwatholile.
Yeah.
Yo.
Mabeze sizokhulisana.
Yes.
Because of this knowledge is not my knowledge. And once you carry that knowledge, you become a slave to those who do not know. You make sure ukuthi those who do not know, you reach out to them. Ukuthi baze bayazi leqiniso.
Yeah.
Because of once you keep them, idla wena leyo nto.
And revelation phela, it's what must prevent something.
Yes.
And there was to prevent something in secret.
You understand?
Must be,
So kubo being born again is about believing in some Jesus. Whereas Jesus never said that. Being born again is to transform from within. It's a transformation from within. Makakhuluma no Nicodemus, you must be born of spirit and water. Where is the spirit is within. So manje so bayihlanganisa baba ukuthi fanele sifide the inward man. Asiye ku 2 Corinthians 4:16.
Inward man.
Yes. That's the man you should take care of.
Intentionally, so bayihlanganisa.
Yeah, bayihlanganisile and abanye yes kukhona, to be honest, lento ikhulumayo baba iqiniso. Abanye bangene kulento bangayazi.
Bangazi. That's what I'm thinking. Angeke umuntu abe so defensive kanje.
Yes. Abanye bangene bangazi and ayikho into enzima vele yokuthi umuntu sekaziconvincile nalabo abanye baseyikolweni. Phela manje isonto is business. And you must keep more customers coming. Ama customers ilama congregate. Yebo fanele bahlale beza.
Theology school.
So even nalapho ku school of theology, they must have questions. They mustn't be stereotyped. Let the God that is inside of them, whatever the question that the Spirit rises, question it. Question it so as we can try to overhaul the whole system.
It's not wrong to question scriptures.
It's right. Yo, Satan akamfuna umuntu question.
Yeah.
Satan
but
does not.
Kunalento leyokuthi as it is.
No. That's obedience. That's obedience.
But obedience is reigns supreme in this.
Obedience. Ukuthi fanele ube obedient wena. Fanele ube submissive to us. That's submission.
You can't question.
No, you can't question anything. Then it's wrong. That is why even before makuqala amaBhayibheli lawa, iBhayibheli belingaphathwa umuntu, beliphathwa ipriest or liphathwa upope. Wena uzozwa ngopope ukuthi lento ithini.
Asesekhona amasonto kanjalo.
Uzwa ngaye ukuthi ithini. Wena umuntu akufanelanga wazi. And uNkulunkulu makayenza umuntu azange ayenza umuntu athi mina ngizawukhuluma through pope. Wayenza umuntu wonke umuntu ngeimage yakhe nelikeness yakhe. So meaning that everyone carries his power. Everyone carries his authority. Umuntu omunye nomunye, he came to be an ambassador of the heaven la emhlabeni. Ukuze aphakamise izulu la emhlabeni.
Umuntu nomunye hayi ukuthi omunye ubizela ukwenza abanye bakhe. Umuntu nomunye une ability yokuba Christ himself or herself.
Uvusa uChrist ngaphakathi kwaBesu straight. Awudingi awudingi yonke lento leyo ayikhulumayo.
Because the narrative out there is that kunathi and then kunabagcotshiwe.
No, to start with, uNkulunkulu preference akusiyena uNkulunkulu loyo. Obona umunye better than the other. Akusiyena uNkulunkulu loyo. Akusiyena uNkulunkulu loyo. To start with
4:16. Therefore we do not lose heart, though outwardly we are wasting away.
Yeah.
Yet inwardly we are being renewed day by day.
We are being renewed day by day, not only one Sunday or one Wednesday. We are being renewed day by day, meaning that spirit grow day by day. When you connect with the spirit itself, you do not need to go anywhere else. Yeah. Hence, Jesus ati umautandaza Matthew 6:6 ati get into your room and pray to your Father who is in secret. See, I say go Psalm 51:6.
Psalm 61? 51:6. Yet you desired faithfulness even in the womb. You taught me wisdom in that secret place. Cleanse me with hyssop, and I will be clean. Wash me, and I will be whiter than snow. Let me hear joy and gladness.
So 51:6 angithi
51:60.
51, chapter 51, verse 6.
Oh, yes, yet you desired faithfulness even in the womb.
Yeah, asegcine la ku 51:6.
Yes.
La ethi, behold, you delight in truth in the inward being.
Yeah, you taught me wisdom in that secret place.
The secret place is the inward being.
Inward being.
That's the secret place. In the inward being, and you teach me wisdom in the secret heart.
So yin laba banda David sometimes bega confuse uNkulunkulu ukuthi umuphi okhulumayo.
Yeah, angithi wena baba
Because angithi uye obhalayo la.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. The thing is, when we comes to ama incwadi ezibhaliwe,
Yeah.
there is incwadi whereby like a spiritual person
Yeah.
makazoyibhala uthola ukuthi he was outside of the connection.
Oh.
Sekabhala ngokuya nge-experiment. Sekabhala ngokuya ngani. Seka outside of the connection.
Okay.
That's why he was operating outside. Then there is times when he operates from the inside.
Yeah.
But then ubone ukuthi into inside and out. Nasemasontweni uzothola umfundisi a preacher every Sunday. Nanoma ukuthi omunye akasekho in the connection. Seka preacher nge-experiment. Nama flop, nama errors ayenzakala kule experiment.
And uyakhona ukubona ukuthi access umoya manje sekuyi experience.
So experience le seyashaywa manje. So sebagijima ngawe. Uyayibona? Sebagijima. So inzima le ndaba.
So yashawa.
Inzima le ndaba. Bagijima ngaba. So it's a problem into amasonto. Isonto njengoba ethi bashathe umnyango, meaning that they became the wall.
Yeah.
Evalela abantwana benkosi ukuthi bakwazi uaccess the true power, the true God. Because of without him baba uSathane uyenze yonke into urulile la emhlabeni asiyoko first urulile la emhlabeni wayenza zonke into asiqale futhi ku 2 Corinthians 4:4 urulile la emhlabeni wayenza izinto babaze ukuthi abantu bangakwazi ukubona ukuthi nanoma sekudukwa kungabonakali is because of into ayiyakhile emuntweni in the soul yomuntu from the beginning. Wayenza leyo nto leyo ukuthi umuntu uzohamba ngalendlela. This is the pattern they must carry. And ithe mawufika wena wabona kuyinormality. Nawe wena wangena kunjalo inormal le into right mos. But forgetting ukuthi le abakuyisa kuyo it's something ukuthi it's limited. It's something engenaqiniso. And ihambe ilokhu ikuhlopha endleleni uhamba lokuwa nini uthi uyathandaza ukuthi ngifuna kube nje akubi njalo or makuba njalo kuba njalo for temporary for maybe 2 weeks nyana after 2 weeks back to emalahleni futhi.
So one sign nje yokuthi it's a wrong God, limitation. One sign.
Because of the God who is true God.
Yeah.
You cannot even put a name on him because of he never named anyone. He didn't put a name on anyone. You cannot put a name on something that has not been born in the physical. You cannot put a name.
His spirit has no name. Yeah, it's Christ.
No, yes, he's immeasurable, Bab.
Infinite intelligence.
Yes, he's infinite. You understand? He's eternal. So how do you measure? How do you put a measurement into eternal? Nawe nathi angithi sinale nto ukuthi nanoma umntana azozala hayi ungambizi igama angakazali. You understand? Ungambizi igama angakazali because of you respect the spirit that does not have a name. You can only come up nama praises like he's immeasurable, like he does not have the end, he does not have the beginning. You understand? So you can only put ama praises on him, but you cannot put a name. Because of he's not born.
He's not born. He's not of this world.
Yes, he's not of this world.
It's spirit.
Yes.
And the spirit is spirit.
Yeah, Ivan.
So, the God of this age has blinded the minds of unbelievers so that they cannot see the light of the gospel that displays the glory of Christ, who is the image of God.
Yeah, the
glory of Christ in you.
Yeah, the God of
this age, of this world. Yeah,
it has blinded their
unbelievers.
It has blinded their minds.
Yeah. It has blinded their minds, the minds of unbelievers.
Yes. No, yabona manje iblind wonke umuntu osenyameni.
Whether believe.
I-believe iwes ngoba you believe in something which is ayikho ayipheli. Because of you cannot believe, that you believe, you must be given something that you can believe in. So the church will give you something to believe in. If you don't believe in, this is the condition, you go to hell.
Yeah.
This is the condition. So now, thina asisebenzi ngebelief, sisebenza nge-transformation from within. You need to transform from within. You need to renew your mind. We renew in ingqondo yakho. I-change ubuwena bakho, i-change the structure sakho. You understand? Because of mawuthi uyabheka, then bese ulalela ilizwi kube yilo lokuhambisayo. That is why go Galatians 2:20 athi, it is I no longer live but Christ in me lives, meaning that uhamba ngalo Christ ophilayo ongaphakathi kwakhe. Uhambiswa uyi akahambiswa imiyalelo or ama ritual wesonto or anything else tradition akahanjiswa ile nto uhambiswa yilo muntu ophilayo ngaphakathi kwakhe. So now angeke izithi uhambisa ngalo ulo muntu loyo angeke bakuphena lo muntu loyo fanele ignite avuswe ngaphakathi. Ingakho uJesu athi become the actual you, be born again, become the actual you. Because of the outer you is an illusionary image of the actual you. So now you should awaken the actual you ngaphakathi ukuthi the outer ithola ama commands from the inner, and those commands is command of love. There's no other. It's commands of love. So mawuhamba ngama commands of love. Ingakho athi love your God with all your heart, with all your soul, and your name.
Yeah, and that those are the commands.
Yes, ukhuluma alignment, whereby your outer form should align itself with the Christ in you, should align itself with the inner.
How not from 10:46 to 10:47 address yagithi ne neighbor yami. It's not that neighbor.
No. No, it's called an alignment. You understand? So the minute yonke into enzakala kuwo ingakho angithi bazosuka bathi kulapha ku Matthew 8:20 uthe when 2 or 3 are gathered in my name I shall be in the midst of them. Ukhuluma ngayo that calling, the ecclesia. You can call out abantu, whether it's the purpose of igesi, yasikhuluma ngesimodern language, whether it's purpose of so discussa ngegesi or ngama election or so discussa ngoNkulunkulu. Must discussa ngoNkulunkulu ke, surely he is there. But it does not confine you into a building. You understand? That building uNkulunkulu akahambisani, akukho la iyenza khona. Asiyo Acts 17:48. Akukho la uNkulunkulu angena khona. I-building leya akusula uzomthola khona.
But i-Acts ngathi ikhuluma ngama 48.
Ingathi ikhuluma ngani? Iyayibhiliza baba ithi
17 bani?
17:48.
Acts.
Yes.
Hayi babhanda kekho 48. Hayi 7.
Let me I think it's yeah, you are right.
7. Okay, it is 1:7. Yeah, 7, I think so. 48. However, the Most High does not live in houses made by human hands, as the prophet says. Heaven is my throne and the earth is my footstool. What kind of house will you build for me, says the Lord? Or where will my resting place be?
So asifunde nangenye futhi.
Ngenye version.
Yeah, asifunde ngenye version ubone ukuthi house kahle kahle yiyo the temple.
Okay.
Uthi a house built by hands.
Yeah.
So which is the temple, the church are built by the hands of men. So a church built by yibo abo Constantine. Yeah, bathi thina sizobuilda these things. Thina labantu laba bazohamba ngokuya ngemithetho yethu. Bazohamba bazosubmit akithi. Will have control over them. Uthi yana kahlala kulawo ma building.
English le. Howbeit the Most High dwelleth not in temples made with hands, as saith the prophet.
Temples.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Akahlali kuzo.
Made by hands.
Yes. Akahlali.
There's this temple.
Yes.
Akuyo.
Akahlali kuwo. Ukhuluma ngani? Ukhuluma ngumuntu oze akhele into athi mina lana ngiyakha ngifuna abantu beze lana bazo worship uNkulunkulu. and uNkulunkulu yena uthe ungaworship, have a direct experiment with me. Hlangana nami. Mina I'm waiting for you. We are like ama-prodigal son efanele babuyele ekhaya. Whether uzame izono zakho umoshile wayenzani uzokwamukela ngezandla ezivulekile.
That when uJesu uyibiza ngani these stories ezakhe
Ama-parables
la it's the truth.
Yes, it is 100% truth. Yabona into engayisho baba, yabona if we can learn to ukuthi sazi ama-parables kaJesu siwalandele straight, sazi ama-meanings wama-parables wakhe. I'm telling you baba, uzowakheka ngenye indlela esimanga.
That's it.
Uyakheka ngenye indlela esimanga, and uJesu anjalo bokumuntu ukuthi nawe self bekakhona ukuthi akubonise technology spiritual ongakhona kuyo leyo technology ithi uma uthepha kuyo uzenza izinto zenzakala spiritual. Ngikhulume nawe singathari amagama, mina nawe sikhulume. Ungitshela ukuthi ayi mara ucabanga into eso lento eyicabangayo. Ungakhulumanga nawe. Ngazange ngikhulume leyo nto ku.
Uyithulele nje.
Ngithulele. Ngikutshela ukuthi yazi into engikutshela yona benginokuthi nanoma ngitshele endlini. I would only speak with my heart and say ayishimarazi umuntu osongathi angangifunela kusasa ngitshele 1 2 3. It will happen the very same way.
Ngamanye amagama utshela lo yamuntu.
Ngikhuluma naye. Ngikhuluma nalo uNkulunkulu ohleli ngaphakathi kwakhe. It's a communication.
Yena vele ezwe nje
bayibiza ukuthi telepathic abanye. There's a spiritual communication. Angithi umoya kahle awunayo language. Awuna language. So you must, the minute you start tapping into him, uqala ukhipha ama energies, you release energies. And now those energies bazibiza ngokuthi go Hebrew 1:14 I think, but ama angels they are there ukuthi basebenzele those who have received salvation. Meaning that salvation is from within. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi if you bring forth what you have inside of you, you shall be saved. The Gospel of Thomas. So now when that happens, uyakwazi ukuthi there's an energy okwazi ukuthi we keep from within. Ikwazi ukuhlangana ne-energy whoever that you've directed that to. We make it kuyo. Ingakho beko John 6:63.
Whether awakened or not.
Whether awakened. Lo ukuthi awakened or akekho awakened. Ayofika kuyi. Phela uthi every
yena uzoyizwa ngathi
every knee shall bow baba. Magathi every knee shall bow. What you believe or you don't believe.
Okay.
You believe or you don't believe. Every knee shall bow.
Every knee shall bow.
That I've experimented. Whether when you are an atheist, when you are to what you shall bow.
You
understand? So that's how it is. Magathi go John 6:63. I think the flesh profit nothing. Meaning that all the efforts is fagayo in everything that you do, all the efforts, they won't profit anything good. They won't even give you peace. But the words that I speak that are spirit and they are life. Where is the spirit is within. And life is the energy that he releases from within. Uguti ignited, that is which is in you.
As a response.
You understand? It's a vibration that he releases.
Spirit vibrations, energies.
No, the spirit is stillness. Then when you release the energy from the stillness, it rattles your God inside. It rattles that it treble. You understand? Then when
you respond accordingly.
Then when you'll do something ukabanga ukuthi hanya mngabanga nje.
Awumcabangi nje. Command.
It's a command. and you can only operate in that the minute uqala connect with him. The minute you start connecting with him,
tapping into that frequency.
Sisazoyenza lento kuma semini. And I just before I just want to say to everyone, he's walking this path. Everyone ohamba lendlela. Siyacela kuma semini. If wena use Durban or if wena use Joburg or wena use Bloemfontein, if ninonke nikwaza nazi ukuthi nisendaweni eso, yibo abantu abazawubhuka. Ukubonisa ukuthi babas, we're not after imali yabo. We're not after their money. The people abalapho and umuntu osebenza useneyikolodo bandlangi ungakhiphi imali yakho.
Okay.
Ungayikhiphi imali yakho ma. Siyacela ungayikhiphi wena mpensioner. Wena umuntu osebenzayo. Ukuthi useseneyikolodo sakho sazibhadala la. Fanele ikolodo ziphele. Ungayikhiphi imali yakho. Ngidonga kunesikolodo mara ngidonga ngifuna imali ukuthi uyosincedisa ukubhadala isemini. It's not right. It's wrong. Akuze laba abangenasidingo semali laba bathi bona hey thina hayi mina ngisazi ukuthi ngiyenzeni ngithenga iFerrari ngibaleka ama tax ngithenga in ngibaleka ama tax wena wozobhadala isemini wena izobhadala isemini you understand sikwazi ukuthi nawe sukunike lento ukhululeke ungayilethi ki ubhadalele isemini if ukuthi venue imunicipality ithi imali engaka bhadala umasipala usinike receipt sibona ukubonakalisa ukuthi we not doing this because of we after into ethize because of sisusa la kuma robbers kulama robber
ngeke siba amanye ama robbers
bese thina soba amanye ama robber we can't do that we can't I cannot accept imali baba umuntu ombona uyazivukela umuntu enkosi uyavuka ngo6 ekseni usebenzela abantwana bakhe uyabuya ntambama bese uthi hayi ngoba mina ngokupreachela kamnandi ngicela ukuthi unginikeze nanoma ngaba yi10% yemali yakho that's robbery
that's daylight robbery
that's robbery
tithe is a robbery
it's a condition and uNkulunkulu esinayo baba one it's an unconditional God ukuthi operating unconditional love so what condition is this leba ibekayo ukuthi ulethe itithe uNkulunkulu uzakulethela even more sekuyi accountant sekuyi bookkeeper uNkulunkulu manje
Ethu Abraham ngithi makabuya in that war yakalotha uMelchizedek wathi makambona wathi no let me give my 10th to the holy
that was his cheerful giving bekane overflow namanje sikhuluma ngalaba bane overflow ayukuthi bona banemali zokuthenga whatever kubaleka ama tax ukubaleka in
bekangasazi ukuthi enze njani
we understand so ayikuthi uzolanda umuntu wenkosi ukuthi yena lana usesaphethe istress abantwana seyikolo sansana bese uthi isincediseni nihambeni sisobhadala semini ngoba uthatha advantage ukuthi lo muntu ufuna lokuphila ufuna lento izongiphilisa then you are taking advantage of that person uthi no ukuthi ukwazi ukuphila sekuyi condition musa bhadala lokuthi wena ukhona ukuphila uthi I've given you this freely and freely when you shall give it to other people not ukuthi wena fanele ufune something ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukuthola insindi seyathengiswa na insindisi uyayibona ukuthi ibusiness lento le
iyathengiswa
hayi business aksi isonto kwalona lento abayibiza ukuthi aksiyo isonto baba it's a business like any other business and you should like keep them motivated ukuthi lama customer wakho wa keep them motivated ukuthi every Sunday lama customer hleli lapha ukuthi balethele imali
ama operations we company lawo yokuthi motivation
uyayibona
so motivation
so there's something abantu abangayiboni uNkulunkulu they were operating ngakhona baba if something is heavy for you ungaloku ukuqhubeka ngento ngeke ukwazi ukuyi-sustain on your own
it's just a sign yokuthi sensing lights
uyayibona baningi abantu they've gone to church for years and years mara akuchange nix empilweni zabo akuchange nix but mina I can certainly 100% say now if you take 30 minutes of 10 minutes of your time every day stay in the stillness connect with him go inward uconnect naye hayi uzobukhuluma la uzobuya ukhuluma
just 10 minutes a
when
day.
a self
Which one is mine just 10 minutes a day
wena kuzaba uwe ozoza la uzofundisa thina because of imfundo yemoya ongcwele ayigcini la
exactly
ispreada kuwo wonke umuntu avezele omunye umuntu into different ezokhulisa nathi ubona umuntu eza la athi nami I've got this revelation it is you understand
no ngibona do you read the comments I don't think you do.
Sometimes.
No, I don't think you do. Omunye uthi ngiyaliyeka mina isonto. Baningi it's just I don't have time.
No, mabaliyeke
Omunye athi ngiyakuzwa mina.
Mabaliyeke isonto
Yes.
but mina ngithi 100% I'm behind them. Mabaliyeke isonto but as we leave the church connect with the source. Connect with the divinity.
Ingabi because what I'm afraid of is them idealizing you now.
No. They mustn't.
That's
no.
Yes,
they mustn't.
Contacts, Mr. Stella Manamba, Mr. Pan.
Yeah, no,
those are many comments.
They mustn't. Yes, Baba, Jesu. The time ate Peter upon this rock, I will build my church. Ite magate lapha John 14 ate unless ngihamba, then the Spirit will not come. It is at your advantage that the Spirit must come. Bekatrya ukubonisa ukuthi iflesh iyakwazi ukuthi block abantu ukuthi baze babone ngathi wena uNkulunkulu. Iflesh iyakwazi uyiblock leyo nto leyo. Ithi uNkulunkulu makakubonisa izinto ezinhle ekufanele uzibonisa abantu bakhe. Then bese iflesh abantu bese babona ngahle ukuthi le flesh yiyo le ngathi iza kahle. Kanti bakhohle ukuthi akusiyona le flesh. The flesh is just a vessel ezo deliver logo ifana nale ya donkey. Mina ngile ya donkey beyigibele lo Jesu izo deliver lo muntu. You understand? Ubona umuntu mabamyenzela i red carpet uJesu bathi bashaya lama leaves bathi i red carpet at that time angithi lama palm trees ukuthi bebangayenzeli I donkey le I donkey zo smile ithi bona bangishayela hayi siyenzela lo ngaphakathi siyenzela lo ngaphakathi. So no, what I'm trying to say is akungabe abantu bablockeke ngalelo nto le. So it is about the Spirit itself. Nami I'll be out of sight. Sifika isikhathi ngibe out of sight. And if ngizofoster ukuthi ngibuye umoya ungavumi ukuthi sekuexperiment yokufuna imali.
Uyashaya.
Sengiyabuya manje. Hayi sengiyabuya manje sengizoshaya.
Uyashaya manje.
We understand.
Uzukhothe.
Yeah, ngikhote impela ngihambe ngani.
Yeah.
We understand. So now I-gathering ye 2 or 3 baba kulapha ku Matthew 18:20 I-gathering of 2 or 3 you cannot rely komunye umuntu ukuthi soyi-3 la erumini ngirely kini ukuthi uNkulunkulu stand in agreement with me ukuthi mina I'm carrying the whole heaven mina self. The agreement is your thought, your heart and the image also you keep her to realize that which you have agreed upon, your heart and your soul. That is the agreement. So Jesus never wanted 2 or 3 ukuthi kwenzakala miracle. No, he never wanted 2 or 3. Why manje
it's not about this.
It's not about abantu. Ngoba umuntu baba especially laba bagijima emasonto ebagcule kabi laba. Inhliziyo zabo azikhohlwa amagratsha lapho.
2 or 3 akadadi.
The 2 or 3 it is your soul and your pure heart.
Yeah.
As they stand in agreement, they create. That creation is the third thing.
Yeah.
Which it agrees that this is what I will realize.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
I say 2 Corinthians 4:13.
Not this.
You can't rely on another person ukuthi izinto ziyenzeke. You can't.
3.
2 Corinthians 4:13. You can't 4:13. We can't rely komunye umuntu ukuthi izinto ziyenzeke.
It is written, I believed, therefore I have spoken. Since we have that same spirit of faith, we also believe and therefore speak.
You understand?
Yeah.
You believe. You stand in agreement.
Yeah.
Your heart and your soul.
Yeah, and the image.
And then you release that image.
Yeah, that agrees.
Yeah, that as you agree, that once you release that thing on its own, it disturbs universe. Because of your universe, if we need agreement yabantu.
Okay.
When we share alone, because of in you've realized what there's God within you, there's Christ within you, there's you as the spirit man within you. So if you stand in agreement with that, then you are good to go. You don't need to rely emuntweni because of reliance emuntweni. You understand? Then Maramaisa kuma Psalms lapha ithi do not put your trust in men. Angithi ke sayifuna. Ithi do not put your trust in men. So if ngizothemba ukuthi masi3 ngiyazi kanjani ukuthi cabangani ngami. Understand? You cannot. I'm complete in me.
Yeah.
With him, I'm complete.
Yeah.
I do not need you. Ungniki validation of that. I do not need you. I'm complete. Jesus was complete with him. The Bible says, with him, you are complete. You are more than sufficient. He's more than sufficient.
Why beka yenza ikhophi ibe complicated ngabheka clear nje ukuthi hey I'm not talking about people mina.
No, the robbers of the word, they would have taken advantage of that. As much as they've taken advantage of the parables, that's distorted.
He foresaw that this is going to happen.
Yes, he foresaw that this is going to happen. So now it's a problem. I'm saying to all our viewers, I'm telling you, I'm saying to you guys, hlalani lapho la nihleli khona ni meditate into him and see ama fruits. You'll see a totally different response or a totally different outcome. A totally different God operating because of lawyer akusunkulunkulu ama preference. Anyeka zathi mina ngifuna ukunikeza abantu imali ukundlula abantu. Anyeka zathi mina ngifuna ukwenzela abantu ukundlula. Akusunkulunkulu ama preference. He does not have umuntu special kuye. Jesus displayed that because of Colossians 1 yakutshengisa ukuthi bekezele ukuzodisplaya uNkulunkulu ukuthi ungubani character yakhe
in flesh.
You understand? So he was, and so as to ignite lo muntu now was operating ngayo. I say go 1 Corinthians 1:26 in speech.
That was just the template.
The template, yes.
Corinthians 1.
1 Corinthians 1:26. Uthi laba abayenze lezo zinto ngoba bebayenza ngokuhlakanipha komhlaba. Ngizawuletha laba abacabanga ukuthi bona they are the foolish bakulomhlaba. Kube yibo abazoza abazoyikhuluma lento ukuthi bashame the ones that thinks they were wiser. You can read it.
Brothers and sisters, think of what you were when you were called. Not many of you were wise by human standards. Not many were influential. Nor many were of noble birth. But God chose the foolish things of the world to shame the wise. God chose the weak things of the world to shame the strong. God chose the lowly things of this world and the despised things and the things that are not to nullify the things that are.
Uthi laba bathi thina sihambile saye kuma theology sihlakaniphile thina siza ngokuhlakanipha yasekuma theology athi no athi I'll shame them. I will shame them because of mina angizoziveza kulaba engifuna ukuziveza kubo. Kuma X2 nakuJuel uthi mina in the last days sizovuka ispirit esoqiniso and young men shall see vision and older people shall see dreams. He's saying there's no experiment. He's trying to say there's no experiment in the word. That's what I show you. Akuna experiment. It's all about revelation. It's all about transformation. It's all about connection.
Until the next episode.
Siyabonga balele.
Yo.